Alarm clock allows users to set alarms directly on the device. World clock enables users to view and track time in different time zones around the world, facilitating global time awareness for travelers or individuals coordinating with contacts in various regions. Calendar allows users to view and manage their schedules, appointments, and events directly from the device. Stopwatch allowing users to measure elapsed time accurately. Calculator provides users with a basic calculator application, allowing for quick and simple mathematical calculations directly from the watch.